Hi guys, John speaking. I decided to create this page Learn Slovak with John so I can help you on your way to learn Slovak. So I will be posting every day something like the most important phrases in Slovak English with translation. So I hope you will benefit from this. The first topic would be calling a taxi. Calling a taxi. So if you call a taxi, you need to say Poprosím taxík na ulicu. Poprosím taxík na ulicu. One taxi please, and you name the street. Poprosím taxík na ulicu. I need a taxi to Poprosím taxík na ulicu. Poprosím taxík na ulicu. Street Jazdecká 15. Poprosím taxík na ulicu. When the lady says something like, taxi will reach you in 30 minutes, taxi will reach you in 30 minutes, she will say, taxík príde za 30 minút. Taxík príde za 30 minút. So once again to repeat, poprosím taxík na ulicu, and you name the street. Poprosím taxík na ulicu. Taxi will come in 30 minutes. Taxík príde za 30 minút. As you are about to end the call, you can say something like, thank you, see you, ďakujem, dovidenia, ďakujem, dovidenia, ďakujem, thank you, dovidenia. So, once again, poprosím taxík na ulicu, taxík príde o 30 minút. Ďakujem, dovidenia. She can also say something like, there are no free taxis. There are no free taxis. Call another company. She would say, nemáme voľné taxíky. Nemáme voľné taxíky. Zavolajte inú taxislužbu. There are no free taxis. Zavolajte inú službu. So once again, there are no free taxis. Nemáme voľné taxíky. Call another company. Zavolajte inú spoločnosť. Zavolajte inú spoločnosť. So hope you can remember something with my strong Hungarian accent in Slovak, and hope see you soon.